Hi, this is Cole and Aidan. We live in the Hawaiian Islands.
The Hawaiian Islands are located in the Pacific Ocean.
The Hawaiian Islands are home to two of the world's most active volcanoes.
What are the two most active volcanoes?
Mount Kilauea and Mauna Loa.
There are 8 main islands.
Each island is made of at least one main volcano. Some are made of more than one.
The Big Island is made of 5 major volcanoes.
How were they made, though?
Millions of years ago, deep below the Pacific Ocean, magma rose up from the ocean floor. When the hot lava hits the cool water, it hardens into an underwater volcano.
Over time and after lots of eruptions of volcanoes, lava hardens and piles up to finally pop up above the ocean surface, forming an island.
It is awesome to think that it took so long to make the islands and that there are still. It is awesome to think that it took so long to make the islands and that there are still volcanoes erupting there today. Thanks for tuning in to learn more about the Hawaiian Islands.